We're back with our two stereo centers, our mirror images, non-superimposable mirror images. And what I'd like to do is use the model kit to take you through the assignment of configuration for both of these. We're using the Kohn-Ingold-Prelog rules, and those are about assigning priority to the four different groups. In this simple version, we have four different attachments, and each of the four attachments has a different molar mass. So think about molar mass, atomic number, however you want to say it. So carbon, iodine, and oxygen, and then hydrogen is the lowest. Hydrogen will always be the lowest if hydrogen is present. So iodine has the highest atomic number, then oxygen, and then carbon. So we keep hydrogen in the back. So hydrogen is our lowest priority, number 4. We always want to assign the configuration with the lowest priority in the back. So what I tend to do is put my fingers on the lowest priority group and hold it so the rest looks like a clock. So we have iodine is number 1, oxygen is number 2, carbon is number 3. So if we're following the clock face from highest to lowest priority, this is clockwise. So this would be R. 1 to 2 to 3, clockwise movement, and that would be R. If I do the same thing with the other one, so in my left hand, I'm holding the hydrogen number 4. I'm going to put this one down. So the same priority assignments are in this one because we have the same groups. So iodine, number 1 priority, then oxygen, and then carbon. So this time, when we look at the clock face, it's counterclockwise. So it would be an S configuration. And that makes sense based on my assignment of the right-hand structure. If this is R, the mirror image has to be S. So that's what defines, or how we assign configuration or definition to a set of enantiomers. If it's just one stereo center in each case, one of them is going to be R and one of them is going to be S. Now, one thing that I will show you that I didn't show you in the last video is, let's say if I wanted to turn this one into an S configuration, I would simply change 2 of the groups. And so now, if you look, these are superimposable, so they are the same structure, which means that they have the same configuration. So I hope that helps you use your model kit not only to make a set of enantiomers, but also to assign, and I'll see you in the next video.